Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the VCRUNTIME140.dll is missing error on Windows 11. First, close the program that is showing the error. Open your web browser and search for the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable download. Open the official Microsoft website from the results. On the download page, you will see two versions, x86 and x64. Download both versions, even if your system is 64-bit. Some programs still need the 32-bit files to work correctly. After the downloads finish, install both. Follow the on-screen steps. If you see a repair option, select it. If not, continue with the installation. Restart your computer. After restarting, try opening the program again. In most cases, the error is now fixed. If the problem still appears, you can try a manual fix. Open your browser and search for the VCRUNTIME140.dll download. Choose a trusted website and download the file. If the file is in a zip folder, extract it. Copy the extracted VCRUNTIME140.dll file. Now open the folder of the program that is showing the error. You can do this by right-clicking the program shortcut and choosing Open File Location. Paste the DLL file into the program folder and close it. Try opening the program again. If you see a different error like 0xC007B, download another version of the DLL file. For example, if you use the 64-bit version, try the 32-bit version instead. This is how you can fix the VCRUNTIME140.dll missing error on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.